The first review says, the food menu is limited, food quality and taste is average. Okay, that's giving I didn't hate it, but I'm still mad that I paid for it. We are doing a clarity test at Berliner in Warsaw. We test places so you don't have to waste your taste buds or your money. I'm curious about the portion size now. Wait, where are you going? It's not over yet. Hello, welcome back to another episode of Binge or Bounce, where we test places so you don't have to waste your taste buds or your money. This is Clary John and today we are doing a clarity test at Berliner in Warsaw. I will be rating this place on food quality, service, ambience and value for money. So while I'm chilling by the beach, let's see what people have to say online about Berliner. The first review says, the food menu is limited, food quality and taste is average. Okay, that's giving I didn't hate it, but I'm still mad that I paid for it. Another review says, I've been to breakfast all around the city, but never have I ever seen an emptier plate in my life. Thank you for your substandard service, Berliner. Empty plate, okay. I'm curious about the portion size now. The last review says, the most disappointing item was the Nashville chicken burger, which lacked flavor and was very small in size. It cost around $500, which felt like a waste of money. Look, if I'm paying $500 for a burger, it gotta be nice. Like I'm gonna tell my friends about it kinda nice. So let's begin with the clarity test. The first review said the menu is limited and the food quality and taste is average. Now that kind of claim needs testing, so I decided to go all in and order a full spread. I started with the bacon Flammkuchen. It's a traditional German flatbread, thin and crisp with bits of bacon and creamy onions on top. Super flavorful, very snackable and honestly a strong start. Then the Bratwurst pork sausage. Now this wasn't your usual presentation. It came in a spiral grilled to perfection and had that juicy, smoky bite you want in a brat. Ate it with mustard and it was perfect with beer. For the vegetarians, I tried the falafel doner and I was not expecting it to be this big. Like seriously, this is a full meal. The falafels were crunchy, the fillings were fresh and the sauces really tied it all together. And of course, no German-inspired meal is complete without beer. I tried their Dunkel and Helles. The Dunkel is a dark lager, full-bodied with this almost chocolate coffee flavor, while the Helles is crisp, smooth and super easy to sip. Both were solid. So I don't know what the review was about. Clearly the menu is limited and the food quality is absolutely great. Now another review said, I've never seen an emptier plate in my life. Thank you for your substandard service, Berliner. Now that's a pretty harsh statement, so I paid close attention. And honestly, I saw none of that. Every plate I got had generous portions. Just look at this doner. That's not just a snack, that's easily a full meal. Even the presentation was solid. Nothing felt thrown together or lazy. And the service, staff is absolutely polite, checked in with us a couple of times and the food came out pretty quick. So yeah, definitely not substandard. Then there was this review calling the Nashville chicken burger disappointing. Said it was bland, small and not worth ₹500. Naturally, I had to try it myself and honestly, I was confused because this burger, it was absolutely great. The buns were soft and the chicken was crunchy on the outside and juicy inside, and it had this spicy, tangy flavor that hit just right. Portion-wise, it's not tiny, it's not oversized either, but it's filling. For the price, it actually holds up. So not sure what this review was about, but I had a completely different experience. Wait, where are you going? It's not over yet. If you like the video, go like, share and subscribe. So based on the clarity test, let's break it down. For food quality, I'm giving 5 on 5. Honestly, everything tasted great. You can tell they care about what they're putting out. Ambience, 5 on 5 again. The place has a very chill, laid-back vibe. You don't feel rushed. Music's not too loud. It's the kind of spot where you sit back with a beer and just hang out. And for service, 5 on 5 again. The staff was friendly and everything came out on time. No complaints. And for value for money, 5 on 5. I ordered quite a bit. Multiple dishes and drinks. My total bill came to 3460, and honestly, that's great value for the amount and quality of food and drinks I had. You're definitely getting your money's worth here. So I am back after the clarity test, and after the clarity test, I'm giving Berliner a binge. Absolutely love the vibe. The food is great. They have some great German bites while you sip on some nice, crisp, chilled beer. So great service and great food. Absolutely recommend this place.